What makes Park Slope Cleaning different is that we self-perform our work. So all of our cleaners are on staff, they're W-2, they're trained by us, they use commercial equipment, they come to trainings, they represent us in a variety of spaces across the city. And also we care about our employees. We pay them more than the average. We pay them a living wage that they can provide for their families and have a good time at work and understand that they're part of our community. And we try not to just clean your space, we try to take care of your office. So we don't just clean your office, we take care of it. We tell that to everyone in the interviews, in the training, in onboarding. We remind them that we're a partner to all of our clients. We're not just wiping the floors and cleaning the bathrooms. It goes a little bit beyond that, and that really sets us apart. We care about our clients, we care about who they bring in their spaces, we care about who we bring in their spaces. All of our people are just really good, hardworking people who understand that they're part of the team, including with the clients, that we're all in this together. I have my job, they have their job, and the clients have their jobs to provide us a space to do our work in.